Cleaning for data centers, server rooms is critical because if the equipment gets dust particles in it, it will malfunction, it won't work. The server rooms completely can lose their ability to do what they need to do, keep the companies running. Dust is the biggest one. Really just the dust particles. If they layer up, I mean, that's where you get those on the servers and then they quit working, whatnot. The biggest thing is when we're cleaning these areas is not to use just regular dusters or anything like that to move the dust around, but to use HEPA filtered vacuum systems that will actually pull the dust from those equipment surfaces. Basically in data centers and server rooms, we have to use non-dissipative chemicals. So they're anti-static. There's chemicals that are just for that we use on the floors. We can't use a lot of water or a lot of chemical on the floors just because these are raised floors. They have a lot of conductors underneath them, and that water seeping through the floors can cause damage to the conductors underneath. The basic entryways in the heavy traffic areas need to be cleaned daily, weekly. We do the server equipment, the racking, all of that typically on a quarterly basis for most of our data centers, just depending on foot traffic. You know, if it needs to be a weekly clean, but doing the actual equipment is definitely a quarterly task.